Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This video is about the intercepts. And if a line is touching x-axis, y-axis, then we have to find out the coordinates on x-axis and y-axis where the line touches the x-axis and the y-axis. I have taken PQ as a straight line and it is touching at this point and the y-axis at this point. X-intercept is nothing but the length, this length is x-intercept and this is y-intercept. And if it is 3, x-intercept is 3, then the coordinate is 3, 0 because y coordinate is 0 on x-axis. And if y-intercept, let us consider y-intercept as 4, then the coordinate will be 0, 4 because on y-axis the x value will be 0, x coordinate is 0. So the point on x-intercept will be 3, 0 and y-intercept the point will be 0, 4. Let us go for the numerical part. Find the equation of a line whose y-intercept is equal to 1 and inclination is 30 degree. Y-intercept is 1 and inclination 30 degree. We have to know that this is the equation. If they have given the y-intercept, this C is nothing but the y-intercept. In this case, this y-intercept is nothing but C. This is a formula if they give the intercept and the inclination. What is this M? We know M is nothing but the slope. And the formula for the slope is m is equal to tan theta, since they have given theta is equal to 30 degree for us and c is nothing but 1 and we have to find the equation for the line. So m is equal to the slope is equal to tan 30 degree, that is root 3. M is equal to root 3. Let us substitute those things in the equation. M is equal to root 3 x plus 1. So this is the required equation. Let us go for the second one. Find the equation of line whose y-intercept is 2 and slope is 3. Here already they have directly given the y-intercept and the slope. Then the equation is y is equal to mx plus c, where m is equal to 3, that is the slope, and c is equal to 2. Let us substitute those. M is equal to 2x plus, this is m is 3. This is the required equation. Y is equal to 3x plus 2. Now the third one, find the equation of line whose slope is minus 4 by 3 and which passes through minus 3, 4. We have a point and we have the slope. So that is, we have a point and slope P of x1, y1 we have, that is equal to minus 3, 4 and the slope they have given minus 4 by 3. For this, the equation is y minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 into m. Now we have x1, y1, let us substitute those values in the equation. Y minus 4 is equal to x minus x1 is minus 3. M is minus 4 by 3. Now let us simplify this. Y minus 4 is equal to x plus 3, minus into minus plus, and this is minus 4 by 3. Let us cross multiply this 3 to the left side. We'll get 3 into y minus 4 is equal to, let us multiply this minus 4 with x plus 3, minus 4x minus 12. So 3y minus 12 is equal to minus 4x minus 12, and we can cancel minus 12 on left hand and right hand side. We will get 3y is equal to minus 4x, or if we transpose this minus 4x to the left side, 4x plus 3y is equal to 0. This is the required equation. Let us go for the next one. Find the equation of line which passes through 5, 4 and makes an angle of 60 degree with positive direction of x-axis. We have a point that is x1 comma y1 they have given. So it is 5 comma 4, and we have the this inclination, that is 60 degree, and they have given positive direction of x-axis, so it will be plus 60 degree. And the equation is we have, that is y minus y1, which we did in the previous one, the same thing. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is 4 is equal to m, we don't know, we have to find out. M is equal to tan theta, because they have given the inclination, so we can find the slope. So slope will be equal to tan 60 degree, and m is equal to, or the slope is equal to root 3. Let us substitute that in the place of m. X minus x1 is nothing but 5. So y minus 4 is equal to root 3x minus 5 root 3. Or we can write the equation as y minus root 3x plus 4 minus 5 root 3. Transposing 4 to the right side, we'll get this equation. Let us go for the fifth one. The coordinates of 2 points A and B are 2, 6 and minus 3, 5 respectively. Find the gradient of PQ, the equation of PQ, and the coordinate point where PQ intersect x-axis. Okay, let us start. Gradient means it is m, or the slope. So we have to find out that, and the equation, we have to find out equation. So okay, we have the points here. Let us take the points, that is x1 y1 is equal to 2, 6 and x2 y2 is equal to minus 3, 5. Okay, let us start with the first, that is m. M is equal to, the slope formula here is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. When we do not have the inclination or the angle, then we have the points, then this is the equation to find the slope. And we know it is 5 minus 6, this is y1, y2 and y1. So 5 minus 6 divided by minus 3 minus 2, that is equal to minus 1 by minus 5, that is 1 by 5. This is the slope, m is equal to 1 by 5. So first one we got, that is the gradient we got. Then the second one, equation of PQ. Equation of PQ, if you do, it will be y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, so we will substitute all the values here. Y minus y1 is 6 is equal to m is 1 by 5. We have already got this. And x minus x1 is 2. Let us simplify by cross multiplying this. 5 into y minus 6 is equal to x minus 2. So that is 5y is equal to minus 30 is equal to x minus 2. And if you simplify further, we will get 5y is equal to x minus 2 plus 30. Transposing minus 30 to right side, 5y is equal to x plus 28. This is the required equation for the line PQ, whatever they have asked for us. Now we will find the coordinate of the point where PQ intersect x-axis. PQ is intersecting x-axis means y will be equal to 0. On x-axis, y is equal to 0. Then we have the equation, that is 5y is equal to x plus 28. In this case, 5 into 0, because y is 0, x plus 28. Now this is 0 is equal to x plus 28. Therefore, x is equal to minus 28. And we have to find out the coordinates. So the coordinates are, or the points are, that is xy will be equal to x is minus 28 and y is 0. This is the answer. Let us go for the next one, sixth one. The coordinates of the point P and Q are minus 3, 4 and 2, minus 1. Find the equation of PQ, the coordinates of the point where the line PQ intersects y-axis. Okay, let us check this, how to do it. We have the 2 points again, x1, y1 is equal to minus 3, 4, x2, y2 is equal to 2, minus 1. And equation of PQ we should find out. So we need the slope for this. M is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Let us substitute the values. Minus 1 minus 4 divided by x2 is 2 minus of minus 3. That is equal to minus 5 by 5. That is minus 1. M is equal to minus 1. Now we need to find the equation. So equation is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Let us substitute y minus 4 is equal to m is minus 1 into x minus of minus 3. So y minus 4 is equal to minus x minus 3. X plus y is equal to 1. This is the required equation. Let us go for the seventh one. In the adjacent figure, AB and CD are the straight lines which are intersecting at point 3, 4. Find the equation of AB and CD. So they are intersecting at P 3, 4, and we need to find out the equation of AB and CD. If we observe it, we have the this one angles here are the inclination 45 and 60 degrees. This is CD. CD is CD has the inclination 60 degree and AB has the inclination 45 degree. Let us start our this one work with the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Now we have to find out m. Let us find out it for AB. Equation for AB. AB, that is m, we know it is 45, m is equal to tan theta. Theta is equal to 45 degree. Tan 45 degree. So m will be equal to 1. Let us substitute that. Y minus y1 is here 4 into m is 1 into x minus 3. This is the point given for us, x1, y1. So substituting those values in the equation. It is y minus 4 is equal to x minus 3, or y minus x is equal to minus 3 plus 4. Y minus x is equal to 1. This is the required equation. Or we can keep x here itself and we can write down y is equal to x plus 1 also. This is also, we'll get that this equation also. Then we have to find out the equation for CD. Let us do that. Formula is same and the point also same, but only the inclination differs. So it is 60 degrees. So we have to find out the slope for this. Tan 60, m is equal to root 3. Let us substitute the values here. Y minus y1 is 4 is equal to slope root 3 into x minus 3. And the required equation is y minus 4 is equal to root 3x minus 3 root 3. Therefore, it is y is equal to root 3x plus 4 minus 3 root 3. This is the required equation. Let us go for the eighth one. Find the equation of straight line passing through origin and the point of intersection of the line x plus 2y is equal to 7 and x minus y is equal to 4. Find the equation of line passing through the origin. Okay, we will take this x plus 2y is equal to 7 and x minus y is equal to 4 and find out the value of x and y. Let us subtract it, so the sign will change. X and minus x will cancel and we have here 3y is equal to 7 minus 4 is 3. Therefore, y is equal to 1. We got the value of 1. Let us substitute y is equal to 1 in either of these two equations. I will put it in second equation. X minus y is equal to 4. X minus 1 is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 plus 1. Therefore, x is equal to 5. And now the required points are, it is x1, y1 is equal to 5, 1. This is 5, 1. And x2, y2, sorry, this is y2. it will be 0, 0 because they have given that it is passing through the origin. Let us find out the equation. Equation is, yeah, of course, we know that it is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. And we need to find out m here. So for m, we have 2 points, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 is 0 minus 1 divided by 0 minus 5. And the answer is 1 by 5. It is minus 1 by minus 5. So minus and minus will cancel. We'll get plus 1 by 5. Slope is 1 by 5. Let us substitute that in this equation. Y minus y1 is 1 is equal to 1 by 5 into x minus x1 is 5. And we'll cross multiply. It is 5 into y minus 1 is equal to x minus 5. If we multiply 5y minus 5 is equal to x minus 5. Minus 5 LHS side and minus 5 RHS side will be cancelled. 5y is equal to x. Therefore, the equation is x minus 5y is equal to 0. This is the required equation. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again.